Hello and welcome to our magical garden. It's spring, so let's take a tour. The roses I planted last year are looking good. The hellebores are still in bloom, but the star of the garden is ruffled pink petticoats tree peony that just started to bloom a couple of days ago. As you can see, there are more blooms to come. And then in the next couple of days, the Ito peonies will also be in bloom. And then on the arbor, we have summer snow clematis. So this will be its third year. There's another Ito peony and another. We've still got to pot up our annuals. And this is where we'll be planting our herbs in a few weeks' time. But for now, our pansies are holding down the fort and providing spots of colour throughout the garden. Clematis is looking good. And that trellis is a favourite spot for the sparrows to wait as they make their way to their nest up there. So the fish are looking happy. The water lilies are just starting to come out. And I've completed the bridge rebuild. Put ballast on the tracks and got the train running. My roses are ready to bloom. And this area is a bog, so it acts as a natural filter. We have a couple of cannas or cannas in there right now. And also creeping jenny, which will spread over the whole of the bog in time. And that area there will be the village for the railroad to pass through when I bring the houses out later on. And then our lilacs starting to bloom. And look, more Ito peonies. There's one there, and there's one there, and one there. And then we have 3 arbors with summer snow clematis. 1, 2, 3. So within a few weeks, they will have covered all 3 of those trellises. And then growing on the arbor, we have climbing hydrangea. Oh, and look, more Ito peonies. And there's the fairy garden that I'm going to be working on later. And there's a pansy, providing its wonderful spot of colour that you can see all the way from the sidewalk. This area is the fairy garden, yet to bring the houses and the fairies out. They will be out within a few weeks. Moving into our fountain garden. There's another tree peony, Nike, who's about to bloom. This will be his first year of blooming. I believe he's 5 years old now. That's actually his second spot. We moved him from the front because he wasn't doing so well. And there you can see Momoyama tree peony in bloom, which is quite spectacular. That's a new rose garden that I planted up a few weeks ago. And there's Macy's Pride that I moved. She's looking okay. She'll survive. And then this is Joe Pye. So if we let it, that will grow taller than this tree. So we don't, we cut it back by half. And there we are. Thank you for joining me on this tour. Happy spring.